Hello everyone, welcome to this study whereby we are looking at the properties of argument of a complex number, whereby argument is the angle. So here we are going to use the fact that when you are given argument of z1 multiplied by z2, this is the same as argument of z1 plus argument of z2. So that is the fact we are going to employ here. So in this case, we have two parts. So the first thing, we are going to get argument of 1 plus 2, we square this. Then we add argument of 1 minus I. So that is what we are going to obtain. So in this case now, we can use the properties of logarithm, whereby this can be written as 2 argument of 1 plus 2, then plus argument of 1 minus 1 that way. Then from there now, we find that this is given 2 multiplied by tan inverse of 2 over 1 plus negative tan inverse of 1 over 1. Now, we are going to obtain this one will be 2.22 plus bracket negative of this one here, we are going to get a negative of 0.79, which is the same as 1.43. Now, alternatively, we can decide to have argument of 1 plus 2. We square this, we multiply by 1 minus I. There is I here, which I omitted. There is I in this working here. So there was your omission there of I. So argument of, so you expand this, which will give you 1 plus 4i after expanding, then minus 4 multiplying by 1 minus I, which is equal to, you remove the bracket, argument of negative 3 plus 3i plus 4 plus 4i plus 4. This is equal to argument of, so 7i plus 1, which is equal to tan inverse of 7 over 1, which is equal to, this is equivalent to 1.432. This is correct to 2 decimal place. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on how to calculate the argument of a complex number. You can also consider this for your doing argument of this number here, root of 3 plus I divided by 1 plus I. So maybe I give you the hint. This can be written as, this is the same as argument of bracket root of 3 plus I, the denominator, which is 1 plus I, the argument of the denominator. So this part here, we can write it as argument of bracket root of 3 plus I minus argument of 1 plus I, which is the denominator. This is the same as tan inverse of 1 over root of 3 minus tan inverse of 1 over 1, which is equal to, in terms of pi, this will give you pi over 6 minus pi over 4. Here, we have made the use of this fact that when you want to get argument of z1 divided by z2, this is the same as getting argument of z1 minus argument of z2. So that is the fact we have employed here. Of course, this will give you pi over 12 negative. So, argument of root 3 plus I divided by 1 plus I, the result is negative pi over 12. Or if you want, you can write it as 1/8 divided by 12, which will give you by 6. 1/8 divided by 6 will give you that 12 divided by 6 will give you 2, which is the same as 15 degrees, negative 15 degrees. Thanks so much for your time on how to evaluate argument of a complex number.